Muling nagtipon ang mga miyembro ng Pampanga Chamber of Commerce and Industry Incorporated o PAMCHAM para sa kanilang ika-84 na General Membership Meeting nitong Martes, May 26. Isinagawa ito sa Alvera na isang master planned estate sa Porac, Pampanga na tinaguriang umuusbong na growth center ng Central Luzon.
Si Alviera is about more than 10 years old na siya, no? And it claims to be the most expansive master planned estate here in Pampanga and in the whole of Central Luzon. Kapag ganun kalaki yung estate, yung business opportunity ay ganun din kalaki. So currently, we're very proud na si Alviera is turning to be a vibrant estate, no? So families go here not just for investment but more for a lifestyle and recreational opportunity. So once you're in Alviera, you have your own lot within the village. The school is here, recreational facilities here, businesses here. It's a one-stop shop estate.
Aabot sa 200 PAMCHAM members ang dumalo sa GMM. Bukod pa rito ang kinatawan ng business chambers ng Tarlac at Angeles City, pati na rin ng ilang government agencies tulad ng DTI. Panauhing pandangal sa pagtitipon na may temang Empowering Business, Inspiring Generations ang batikang TV personality at broadcast journalist na si Karen Davila. Ibinahagi ni Davila ang mga natutunan niya sa iba't ibang negosyante na kanyang nakapanayam sa kanyang business program na ngayon ay nasa ika-12 taon na.
Ang puhunan ng isang tao ay hindi lang pera. Kasi pag sinabi nating puhunan, iniisip nila ay magkano ang puhunan. Dapat may pera ako. But in all the businesses I've interviewed, many of them really started with, number one, laway nila. Diba? Or it was a hobby at home. Or kahit 1,000 piso ng paggawa ng pagkain tapos binibenta na bilang street food. I think there's a big misconception na kailangan mo ng malaking pera. So the first, I think, lesson I've learned is number one, ang puhunan ay hindi lang pera. Ikaw, ang sarili mo, ang talino mo, ang sipag mo, ang talento mo, lahat yun puhunan.
Sa panahon ngayon, mahalaga raw na magkaroon ng magandang ugnayan ang mga business founders at mga young entrepreneurs upang maging matagumpay ang isang negosyo.
I think that's the hardest in a company when the founder, of course, isn't as open-minded, no, with the suggestions or recommendations of younger people. But that's why innovation, openness, is the most important for a business to succeed. I think number one, if that's a problem, I think a more structured dialogue is important. Honestly, with business mentors, I don't think it should just be with the family itself. I think it'll be hard. And number two, I think that both old and young have to grow together in terms of direction, synergy. So take conferences together, learn the same things together, diba? Totoo naman yun, may mga older people that don't want to learn AI, and I agree because ako nga, I'm resistant to some of it already. But I think to create an environment of openness is the key.
Naniniwala rin itong unti-unti nang lumalaki ang papel ng kababaihan sa business na nagpapalakas sa estado ng lipunan.
I think women are, in small businesses, it's been proven in micro-lending, women are the best payers. Women are 99% paying their loans. Micro-enterprises. Why is that? Because women, once you give them the responsibility, the power to decide, and you give them the opportunity, women will really shine. I think because when you support a woman, you just don't support her. You support her family, her family's family, the whole community. When you support a woman, you really empower the society. That's the truth.
Ibinahagi naman ni Attorney Paul Yusi, presidente ng PAMCHAM, ang kanyang naging learning sa pagtitipon. Importante raw ang mga GMM ng grupo dahil maraming matututunan rito.
Merong isang item dyan na talagang nag-stick sa mind ko. It can be summarized in one word, grit. G-R-I-T, grit. Di ba sabi niya, walang kwenta kung bright ka pero tamad ka. But if you're just ordinary but you have the grit, matyaga ka, you'll go places. Yeah. Even in business, you may be the highest IQ, but you are tamad. Nothing beats grit. So that's the lesson we learned from her. You don't only come here sa mga GMM to network, to meet your future business partner, your supplier, but you also get to learn from learned people like her. No? Even yung mga questions ng mga people from the floor, they're very insightful. Yung question na yun, very loaded yun. And then sasagutin ng someone who is also learned, not only because probably she went on an MBA, but because of experience. So these are events where we learn a lot. No? Going to MBA, yes, why not? But these are the real world business learning. Yung mga ganitong event.
Bago ang pagpupulong, nagkaroon ng biz matching at networking ang mga member ng business chamber para mapalago ang kanilang negosyo. Ako si Jody Dizon Mercado para sa CLTV 36 News.